In the heart of Transylvania, perched on a rocky hill between mountains and forests, stands a place whose story changed forever in the early 20th century. This is the story of Queen Marie and the castle she turned into a legend. It was the year 1920. Romania had just emerged from the hardships of war, and Queen Marie, one of Europe's most beloved royals, was searching for a sanctuary. When she first arrived at Bran Castle, stepping out of her carriage and walking beneath its ancient towers, she wasn't greeted by royalty, but by silence, stone, and wind. The castle was old, worn, cold. But Marie saw something no one else did, the soul of a home waiting to be reborn. Soon, teams of architects and craftsmen filled the courtyard. Entire rooms were redesigned, towers reinforced, and hidden spaces rediscovered. At the center of it all was the Queen herself, studying blueprints, discussing ideas, walking through every hallway, every corner. For Marie, this wasn't a royal project. It was a personal mission. She wanted Bran to become a place of warmth, beauty, and poetry, a refuge for the spirit. During the restoration, one of the castle's most intriguing features was uncovered: a narrow, secret staircase hidden behind a wooden panel. Dark, mysterious, carved into the stone, it connected the Queen's bedroom to her private library. Marie adored secrets, quiet places, and stories. And this hidden staircase became one of her favorite pathways, her silent escape from the world. Of all Bran's chambers, one room captured her heart more than any other. Bathed in warm light, decorated with rare fabrics, carved furniture, fresh flowers, and personal objects, it was here that Queen Marie wrote letters, crafted journal entries, and shaped some of her most heartfelt reflections. Late in the evenings, with only a lamp illuminating her desk, she wrote about Bran as if it were alive. "This castle breathes, it comforts me, it listens." But Queen Marie was not a distant monarch. She walked through the village of Bran, spoke with local families, listened to their stories, and embraced their traditions. To them, she wasn't just a queen, she was a friend. This bond would later shape one of her greatest legacies. By the 1930s, something remarkable happened. People from across Romania, and soon across Europe, began traveling to Bran, eager to see the beloved Queen's mountain refuge. Early tourists arrived in hats, long coats, and curiosity in their eyes, exploring the restored towers, the gardens, the same paths the Queen walked. In newspapers and magazines of the time, Queen Marie spoke passionately about the castle, turning Bran into one of the first cultural destinations of modern Romania. During the interwar years, Bran Castle hosted elegant gatherings, evenings filled with music, conversations, and candlelight. The Queen's guests danced in the courtyard beneath the glow of lanterns, celebrating a new era of life for the ancient fortress. Bran had become more than a building. It was a symbol, a blend of royalty, romance, and rebirth. Today, Bran Castle stands proudly above the landscape of Transylvania, restored, preserved, and visited by millions. Half a century may separate the present from Queen Marie's time, yet her touch is still everywhere. In the rooms she redesigned, in the gardens she loved, in the stories whispered through its halls. Modern Bran and the Bran of 1920 share a single heartbeat, a legacy shaped by a queen who saw beyond stone and history, a queen who saw home. This is the legacy of Queen Marie, and this is the soul of Bran Castle.